stubborn, reach for the sky. Every question, every quest, learning is fun, do your best. Learning is fun, come along, try new things, find your song. Mistakes help us learn, that's the key. Learning is fun for you and me. Counting numbers, learning to share, exploring nature everywhere, building puzzles, trying new games. Learning is fun in so many ways. With each lesson every day, learning is fun, come and play. Learning